This video discusses bringing an Eclipse project under version control. There'll be situations where you have a local Eclipse project, which is usually a Java project, but it could be any other project created in Eclipse. And you'll need to add it to the stream where other members of your team will be able to access it. Before showing a demonstration, let's take a conceptual look at this task. I have a local Java project in my Eclipse workspace. It's in my local workspace, but not yet under version control. So RTC does not see it. The action of bringing an Eclipse project, or in this case a Java project, under version control is a share. And a share takes the project, brings it under version control, and checks it into the repository workspace where it's bundled into a change set and shows up in the outgoing folder. From there, the user can deliver the change set to the stream, and now it's under version control where other people on the team who have access to the stream can see it. Okay, I'm in the Java perspective and I have a Hello World Java project that I want to bring under version control. Okay, so right click on the project and select Team Share Project. Okay, next the Share Project in Jazz dialog box pops up. And what you see here is a list of your repository workspaces and the components in those repository workspaces. So if you don't have a repository workspace set up, you can't share the project. So select the component within the repository workspace and select Next. So selecting Finish here will share the local Eclipse project into the repository workspace. So now your project is shared. You can see the blue arrows on the project in the Package Explorer view. The blue arrows point to the right, meaning that the files are in the outgoing folder and ready to be delivered to the stream. And you deliver to the stream from the Pending Changes view. If you don't see the Pending Changes view in the Java perspective, the next few slides will show you how to add it to the Java perspective. It's a default setting in the work item perspective, but if you're working a lot in the Java perspective, it's nice having the Pending Changes view visible. So to make the Pending Changes view visible in the Java perspective, go to Windows, Show View. If you don't see Pending Changes in the drop-down list, select Other. I could type in pending or P or PE just to search for this particular view. And I select the Pending Changes view, which allows it to show up in the Java perspective. And now you can see the Pending Changes view in the Java perspective. Okay, so now within the Pending Changes view, if you scroll down, you can find the outgoing folder, which means that you have changes in the repository workspace that are bundled into a change set and need to be delivered to a stream. So you can right-click on the change set and edit the comment. Okay, so now the change set has a name, and I'm ready to deliver it to the stream. And I can deliver to the stream by right-clicking on either the outgoing folder or the change set and selecting Deliver. And now back in the Team Artifact view in the work item perspective, I can actually go to the stream, right-click on the stream, and say Show Repository Files. And I'll be able to see the new Eclipse project that I just imported. So now that I found the stream, I can right-click on the stream and select Show Repository Files. So now you should be able to get a read-only view of the files within the stream. And you should be able to see the Java project that you just added. So in this section, we took an Eclipse project and we shared it to a stream. And there was two steps involved in the share. The first was we shared the project into the repository workspace, and then from there we delivered to the stream.